Hello everyone. So today I'm drawing an anime drawing which is Ash and Pikachu from Pokemon, a very popular anime. And for it you have to take a black pen and marker, and most of you all are familiar to it. So let's start the drawing, and we are starting from his hat. You have to keep his head in this shape. Anime is quite different than ordinary animated cartoons. A major difference in their eyes, their hairs are in like just zigzag shape. You have noticed that. So carefully you have to join his face. And this is my first try when I'm drawing anime. So please tell me how will it result. And in front of his forehead, just draw hairs. Now with the help of a black pen, you have to draw his eyebrows. It isn't working well. Let's take another. And now very carefully you have to draw his eyes. Just see very carefully how we have to draw his eyes. Their eyes is not joined properly. You have seen from sides it is not joined. It must look like shining. And at the both sides of his cheek, just write Z and complete his face. As you all know, Ash is a Pokemon master, or I think he want to become Pokemon master. He's a Pokemon trainer. Yes, it is the right word. So you have to just make a sign like this on his hat and his hairs in zigzag shape. From here we are starting his cloth. And now we are starting making his right arm. And he will have a Pokeball in his hand. He is also wearing half gloves. Is it half gloves or other word for it? And just make his fingers in such way just this look like he's holding a Pokeball in his hand. And on his right shoulder we have to draw Pikachu also. So you have to keep that in your mind. We are not completing his right shoulder. That's why. We will draw Pikachu at the end. So first of all, let's just complete his whole body. He's wearing a jacket like this. And if you are a anime lover or you love Pokemon, then you can tell me in comments which is your favorite Pokemon. You can draw lines like this for details. And from here, you have to just draw his left arm. Like he has just put it on his waist. And now in this position you have to draw his legs. And we are also showing some details like his pocket, some lines on his pants. And now finally we are drawing his shoes. This is specific type of shoes. So finally we have completed the whole outline of Ash, and now just draw Pikachu on his right shoulder. That's why I have not drawn his head totally. I have just left some space here. I have zoomed out to show you how to draw. So like this you have to draw his eyes. Leave a space like a small circle. And at the both sides, dimples, I think like this. And his cute smile. And now his long ears. Among all the Pokemons, Pikachu seems very cute. And from here, just draw his tail. Like thunder or like zigzag shape. Now very carefully you have to draw his legs. It is not easy to draw it on his shoulders, so just carefully draw it. And finally, here is the whole outline of Ash, Ketchum and Pikachu. So we have completed his whole outline. You have to draw it exactly like this. And now it's time to color it. I'm using this light blue watercolor on his jacket, on some part of his jackets. On his hat also. After this watercolor get dried, you have to just color his hairs and some left part of his jackets. Here I will use sky. Also fill color in Pikachu. After coloring process, now I am just giving this drawing a final touch. I'm using these colors. I'm using these colors to show shadow effect on his clothes, his body and on his skin. It is optional, you can use it to show your drawing more fascinating, more attracting. It will add some highlights and details in your drawing. For his skin, I am using brown color. And here his shadow. And now we have totally completed it. So hope you all liked it. And if you like this drawing, you can just like it. And if you are new on our channel and want to learn more interesting drawing videos, you can also subscribe. So meet you all in the next video with some new drawing. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you for watching.